Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a shoulder sway illusion, or an illusion shoulder sway depending upon who you talk to. Knowing how to do a shoulder sway already would be really useful. Having done any kind of illusion at all would be helpful as well, but not necessary. And it's probably a good idea that you know a neck break as well. I'll put a link to some of that stuff. In fact, I'll put links to some of that stuff in the description below, so that you can go back and check out some variations that may well set you up better to be good at one of these. But on its own, this move looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard shoulder sway. So we go semicircle and back, bringing the hand up to the shoulder, and we're picking up the lady's spare hand. As we sway the lady back, we're going to go over the top. So guys, if we go fingertips pointing down, so our fingertips are pointing towards the lady's palm and our fingers are under the lady's fingers, it's going to be nice and easy as we do the twist out to take that loop over the top and down onto the lady's far shoulder. Yep, so we've got the lady combing herself. We're going to bring the lady forwards as if we were going to prep a neck break with that right hand. So we're making a little bit of space for ourselves here. We're going to pull with the right hand pretty much as if we were going to do a neck break, and as the lady is going round, we let the lady's arm go through the middle, we release but recatch the hand, we walk with the lady turning to the right, the left hand comes to the lady's left shoulder, we turn to the right, dropping the right hand down, so we're now facing the other way with the lady on the left, and we sway the lady back to the left. Mirror version of a neck break now at this point. We're going to turn to the right, preparation. This is effectively going to feel like a neck break but in mirror image, so we're going to pull with the left. We're going to go over the lady, we're going to step back to the left, we want those arms to go long. We're now going to pull, and we're going to add rotation to the lady as we bring the lady through, and we're going to step past, turn to the left, the lady spins through, turning to the right, we catch left to right, having changed sides, return and back. Do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back, 1 to the shoulder, 2 comb with the twist out, 3 preparation, 4 big turn, 5 twisting out, 6 preparation, 7 big turn, 8 preparation, 1 spin through, 2 and catch, 3 return, 4 and back, 5. So let's do it together. Here we go. Man's right, lady's right. I recommend you do go back and do that slow a couple of times before you go for it. And here it comes. 5, 6, shoulder sway, illusion. It's a back, wrap, comb, prep, illusion, twist, prep, big turn, face, spin through, catch, return and back. And that's it. So shoulder sway illusion, go out, it will work, it will take a few goes until it's nice and smooth. Okay, do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so if you like the move, hit the like button. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so thank you everybody who hit subscribe, and hitting the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, along with some recommendations from the algorithm as to what you would like to see next if you like this one. So as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.